it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with Boxy Charm, my unboxing. I love doing this. If you're interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. I received my Boxy Charm the other day. I didn't take out everything, but I did peek in it just to see. When I first signed up for this Boxy Charm subscription, I said I was going to give it 3 times. So this is my 2nd time. If they are pretty good for the 3rd month, I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this subscription. So anyway, if you don't know what Boxy Charm is, it is a monthly subscription for like $21. I'm like, wow, $21, and you receive full size products, up-to-date products that people are using like right now. So I love this. I will put everything that you need to know about Boxy Charm in the description box below, and also a little link where you can click on it. Okay, let me get started. The first thing when I open this up, it comes nicely secure. Again, that's for you first time that have never seen this video or Boxy Charm unboxing. It comes with the Boxy Charm card. Let's see. And it's also looks like a coupon as well. So it just tells you about the products and just gives you a little bit of details about, you know, each and every item that you will receive in here. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited. It's so cute, very nicely, neatly, safely packaged. And the first thing I see in here are Luxy premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Okay, I can always use brushes, you know what I mean, always. So let me open it up. I get so excited. So the brushes look like this. They're gold. Let me just see. This is like a little angle brush, and 4 different size brushes came in this. So this is cute. All right, enough with this. You can never have enough brushes and utensils, okay? Especially for when you're doing makeup. So yes. All right, the next thing that I see is Lashaholic luxury lashes, falsies, and these are really pretty. I have a banquet that I need to go to tonight, so thank you, I really need this. So yeah, oh my goodness, I was just getting ready really to purchase some of this the other day in Sephora, which you know, when doing the VIP sale, but I didn't do it. I have that coming up as well, what I did purchase with the VIP sale from Sephora. So anyway, that's a whole nother video. Anyway, let me stay focused on the Boxy Charm, right? Okay, so this is Cover Fix, and this is glitter drops. Yes. So what you can do is apply this to any of your foundations. It just gives you a glow and glitter, and just really pretty. So I am excited about that. And see, these are full-size products. I like that. This is it says Intense Long Last Black Color, and it looks like an eyeliner. So yeah, very nice. And I like this because it's very black, and I like that a lot. And it just slid on so easy. So yes, an eyeliner. Also nicely, neatly wrapped is Ace Beauty palette. Let's see, is this an eyeshadow palette? Pretty case. I just had to show you this case, and then you pull out the real case. Oh, these are so pretty. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Very pretty colors. Look at this. And they look real. Oh, yeah, that. Oh my goodness. Can you believe that? Look at the swatches on that. And that one's called Myrtle. Let's see, this highlighter one. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Let's try this middle one. This is a more of a matte color. So yeah, but the colors are very vibrant. Especially that shimmer one. Let's see. This one right here is where this gold one. Oh yeah, the colors are very pretty and pigmented. Oh, and these are some of my favorite colors. I cannot wait to try this out. So you have $21. Very pretty. Ace Beauty Grandosis palette. I guess that's how you say it, but yeah, I love this. I like the way it is too. It's such a pretty case. So yeah, this is wonderful. I like it a lot, and I like this subscription so far. And like I said, this is box number 2. So anyway, I'm gonna stop before I keep rambling on, and this video may be 20 minutes long. So, and I know you don't want that. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, I do see I have some new subscribers, so welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. And also for my oldies and goodies, and you know who you are that have been with me from day one. Thank you so very much for tuning in each and every time I upload a video. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Go on over, and if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Also, click on that notification bell. Anytime I upload a video, you will be the first one notified. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.